Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your iPhone using a simple setting. So, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings, scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility. Next, look for the section called Physical and Motor and tap on Touch. On the next screen, tap on Touch Accommodations. Now turn on the Touch Accommodations option by tapping the toggle switch at the top. After enabling it, turn on Hold Duration. Then set the time to around 0.10 seconds using the plus and minus buttons. This makes your iPhone wait a tiny moment before it registers a touch, which helps prevent random or accidental touches. Next, enable Ignore Repeat. You can also adjust the time here. This setting tells your phone to ignore repeated touches that happen too quickly, which often causes the ghost touch issue. After enabling these options, go back and try using your phone normally. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.